Hey guys, it's me, THC, the Happy Cultivator, and we have windows and a nice little window box here. So this is the newest addition to the house so far. We had to put up some siding and make a nice little window box. So we'll show you that has gone up. It's looking good. So as you can see, we got the sliding glass door right there, and the rest of the windows are in. We even have the window to the war room in. We've got drywall on hand, so you know what that means. And if you look, we've got the scaffolding up. Let's go ahead and give you guys a little view of the windows. Nice little side view of the house here. We don't have a lot of room to give you guys the best view, so let me get you another angle. Go guys around to the front here. And there's the siding that they put on with a little window box. Looks pretty nice. Do a little outcropping of the roof there too. Real cute. So we're moving. It's coming soon, guys. With that, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.